In this video, I will show you how to delete any apps or programs on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you right click on your start menu, and then go ahead and make sure you click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to apps right here. Then go ahead and click on install apps. Then here you go. You have all install apps right here on your Windows PC. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select a particular apps that you want to delete from your Windows PC at these sections right here. So however, I can decide to remove this particular app right here. So I can decide to remove this particular app right here, WeChat app, which consumes about 700. So how can you delete this particular app right here? Next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here, click on these three dots, then go ahead and click on uninstall right here. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on uninstall right here. And then go ahead and click on yes. Uninstall WeChat. Keep the local data, including chat history, backup history, settings as the case may be. Make sure you check this so you can uninstall everything completely, both the data and the setup file of that particular app. Then go ahead and make sure you click on uninstall. Then here, reason uninstall a new version, crash happen often, UI and stuff like that. You can just go ahead and select any options right here. Then in this tutorial, I'm going to click on crashing often, and then go ahead and click on done. And just like so, you can see the app icon is no longer found in my home screen right here. So I go back right here and I decide to close the setting tab, and I right click again. I go back to settings. Then I go back to apps, then install apps. Then by the time I scroll down right here and look for that particular app, it will no longer be found right here. Just like so. You can see the app is no longer found right here. It's that simple. So this is how to simply delete or uninstall any apps on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.